Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find restaurants along your route in Google Maps. This is incredibly useful when you're planning a road trip or a long drive and want to stop for a meal without going off course. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to google.com/maps. This will take you to the Google Maps homepage where we'll set everything up. Once you're there, you'll notice the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where we'll begin creating our route. Before we can search for restaurants, we need to establish a route. In the search bar, type in your destination location. This could be anywhere you're planning to travel to. After entering your destination, you'll see several options appear. Look for and click on the Directions button. This is the starting point for creating any route in Google Maps. Next, you'll need to input your starting point. This is typically where you are right now or where you plan to begin your journey. Type this into the starting location field. Once you've entered both your starting point and destination, Google Maps will automatically generate a route for you, showing you the path you'll be taking. Now here's where the magic happens. Look at the top of your screen and you'll see an option that says Search along the route. This feature is what allows you to find places without deviating from your planned path. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a whole new layer of functionality that makes trip planning much more convenient. After clicking Search along the route, shift your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see various category options appear. For our purpose today, click on Restaurants. This tells Google Maps to specifically show you dining options that are conveniently located along the route you've already planned. Once you've clicked on Restaurants, the map will update to display all available restaurants along your route. These will appear as markers or pins on your map, making it easy to see exactly where each dining option is located in relation to your journey. You can browse through these options and see details about each restaurant. When you find a restaurant that catches your eye, click on it. A detailed card will appear showing you information about that restaurant. On this card, you'll notice an option that says Add Stop. This is the key feature that allows you to incorporate this restaurant into your route without having to manually adjust anything. Click on Add Stop, and Google Maps will automatically recalculate your route to include this restaurant as a waypoint. Your new route will now guide you directly to the restaurant and then continue on to your final destination. And that's it. You've successfully found and added a restaurant along your route in Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.